G'day everybody, it's Anthony from Supertech Electronics, and today we're going to remove a 2013 Kia Cerato sound system. The tools you will need for the job is a plastic spudger and a Phillips screwdriver. I find one of these are quite handy to leverage against. Now we're going to remove this section here first, and we're not going to lever against that because that's quite soft. We're going to start at the bottom and lever from there and peel it back slowly till it comes out. These yellow clips are held in really hard, so make sure you support it each section as you pull it out. Now that will expose one screw there. That's the only reason you're taking this whole piece off here, just to remove that screw there. The next section we're going to remove is this plastic surround that surrounds the hazard light switch, and you can start from this corner down here and peel it up slowly. Once again, don't lever against the dash because it can be quite soft in spots. Now it's starting to give. There we go. And just to get that out of the way, we can unplug this top section like so by pushing the middle pin. So once you've removed that plastic surround, that will expose 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, which we'll need to remove with our magnetized screwdriver. So once we've removed the 4 screws holding it in, the whole thing will slip out. And it will, of course, have some plugs and sockets you'll need to remove by pressing the middle pin and pulling back towards the front of the car. And that unit is now ready to send off to Supertech Electronics for repair.